Guys, this is Dr. Suguna. Have you ever wondered why Python compares to other popular programming languages? In this video, I will compare Python with other programming languages and I will highlight some of the strengths and weaknesses. First point, Python, let us compare with Java. While Java is better for large enterprise applications, Python is better for data analysis, scripting, and web development. Now, second, I'll compare with C++. C++ is better for low-level system programming. But Python is easier to learn and it is more protective for software development. Let me compare it with Ruby. Ruby is more concise and expressive. But Python has a very large standard library and has better performance for numerical computing. Let me compare with JavaScript. JavaScript is better for front-end web development, but Python is better for back-end web development, data analysis, and machine learning. Overall, Python's strength lie in its ease of use and versatility, large standard library, and strong community support. So, if you are considering learning a programming language, you have to definitely think about what you want to use it for and choose a language that fits your needs. Python is a great choice for many applications from web development to data analysis and extending to machine learning. So you can check out our channel for more videos on Python and other tech topics. Thanks for watching and don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends who are interested in tech. Thank you.